Hi you guys, welcome to the Tumbling Coach. Today Emerson is going to be teaching you how to do the finish of the back walkover. All right, one simple drill to help you with the finish of the back walkover is a handstand on the wall. You'll go up and you'll pull one leg down at a time. Simple. To make it a little bit harder as you progress, you'll scoot away from the wall and create a little more arch in your back. Now pull one leg. And can you go even one step further? You think you can make that? Oh yes, nice. Now one leg at a time. Nice work, that was good. The way that you can practice the finish of the back walkover is over the side of your couch. Lay on your back, arms up by your side, reach. Whoa, 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 lady, we're not ready. Feet are tight here, arms are strong, and you're gonna pull one leg over at a time from there and mimic the end of the back walkover. All right, and if you have your standing back bend, your push, and your finish mastered, it's time to give a back walkover a go. Put them all together. And push, yes, Emerson. Nice, do it one more time. Oh, see, and that'll happen sometimes. That's why we practice. Give them one more beautiful back walkover. Yes, there it was. Good job. Thank you guys for joining us in learning how to put all three pieces of your back walkover together. I would love to see your attempts, your successes, your failures, anything that you need help with. Just find me on social media, The Tumbling Coach. I'll be happy to help you, celebrate with you, whatever you need. You heard her.